By the end of this video, guys, I am promising you that you will know how to nail your brows. You'll know how to fill in your eyebrows like a pro, and using products that you probably already have. Look at that perfection. Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you 3 really simple and easy steps that you can use to just take your brows to a whole new level. So let's go ahead and get started and get all up close and personal with you guys seeing my pores and my acne. So here's what you're going to need: an eyebrow pencil. I suggest brown because black is too harsh. A brush that looks like this, it's called a spoolie, but if you don't have one, you can use an old mascara wand that you've washed thoroughly. Some concealer, or if you don't have concealer, you could just use the foundation that you have. And then you're going to need some sort of a small brush to clean up the brows, or an angled brush, either or. So the first step is to get the shape of your brows right. Once you get this down, it's going to be extremely easy to fill in your brows. So you can take your pencil and use your eye to kind of guide you. So place your pencil at the end of your nose, passing right through the tear duct to get the beginning of your brow. Then do the same thing, but this time pass the pencil through the middle of your eye, and then do the same thing by passing the pencil through the end of your eye. Next step is now to fill in the brows. So brush through your eyebrows with your spoolie or your mascara wand and brush upwards and outwards. That's how our eyebrows typically look. Let me tell you guys, whether or not you sharpen your pencil can make or break how your brows look. So make sure it is sharp and keep sharpening it. So we're going to do an outline of the brows. So we have our beginning point, our arc, and our end point. So following that, as well as the natural shape of your brow, draw an outline at the bottom of the brow and at the top of the brow. Note, we have to use short, gentle strokes. So don't draw a line like, just like a straight line, because that won't look too natural. You want to go in with short, gentle strokes. So now with our outline, the rest is really easy. With a very sharp pencil again and short gentle strokes again, you want to go into your brow and fill in any sparse areas, so places where you don't have any eyebrow hair. And short gentle strokes, mimic how each eyebrow hair looks. So it's not harsh, so don't dig your pencil into the brow. Just make it very light, make the strokes really light. And then to make sure your strokes blend in with your actual eyebrow hairs, go over your eyebrow with your spoolie. And again, brush upwards and outwards. And then the last and final step, which I feel is the one that just completely makes the brow, is cleaning it up. So grab your concealer. I recommend using a concealer that's 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. And then take your small brush or your angled brush and just really slowly and carefully clean up under the brow. This is really great, like especially if you haven't done your brows in a long time and there's a lot of growth like me. Take your time with this because you really don't want to mess up. You want to make sure that your line at the bottom, your brow looks extremely defined. Now you could leave it at that, or you could take it a notch higher and grab your foundation or a concealer that is in the same shade as you and do the same thing that you did at the bottom of the brow to the top of the brow. So clean up the top, make sure it looks defined, and take your time. So with those very easy and simple 3 steps, you're going to end up with a brow like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This brow is not done. I'm gonna do it off camera. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more similar videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.